desperately, though your love ain't guaranteed. Oh, I wish you knew the deal. Gotta learn from far away, and I simply needed space.
Hey guys, it's Savannah, and today I am doing a bit of a different kind of intro. I'm doing this stand-up, different lens, more personal in my opinion. And today's video is going to be all about my winter room decor. I really hope that you guys enjoy this video. It was a lot of fun to film, especially because I love decor and like anything involved with like decorating and interior design. So yeah, I really hope that you guys enjoy this video, and if you do, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below what your favorite part was, and don't forget to subscribe if you're not already subscribed. So let's just get right into the video. Okay, so good morning everyone. I have just walked into my room, and this is just an overview of like what it looks like from the angle when you walk in. Disclaimer, because I know it's true, I have not done a room tour I think since 2015. Which is pretty crazy. It may even be 2014, but I do have the video linked on my channel if you guys are interested in watching it. As you walk in, the first thing to your right is my bed, and this is just what it looks like. It looks pretty much the same as it did in my last one, except since this is my winter room tour, I've got a bunch of different pillows and blankets on it. So this is my current duvet. It's just my white one, and then as you can see here, I have my regular gray blanket that I've always had, as well as my handmade mermaid blanket, and this is just the gray one. My mom got it for me last Christmas, and I really love it. But yeah, it's beautiful. It's very warm. So these are my pillows. The one at the very back is a fluffy white one that I got from HomeSense. And this one right here is a winter print one that my friend got me, also from HomeSense. And then this one is a pillow that my dad got me for Christmas, and it's just got a deer on it. This is the one I feel like really ties the room together, along with the winter print one for winter. And this one I'm not sure where he got it, but it's really cute, and it's got like buffalo plaid in black on the pillow itself. And I feel like these pillows just look really, really pretty together with the grays and the white and the black, and they tie it together with the blanket. Beside my bed is my desk, and you guys have probably all seen this as well. As you guys can see, it's a really rainy day outside. But yeah, I'll just show you guys what I have here. So on top right here, I have my Bonjour lamp. My dad got this for me for Christmas, or it was my birthday actually. So I'm not entirely sure where he got it. And then beside it, I have this vase that I use for, holding my makeup brushes. And it was just literally a regular vase until I used it for my makeup brushes. And then beside it, I just have my daily moisturizing cream, which is my Ultra Repair cream, the First Aid Beauty one. And then back there, I have my makeup bag that I just keep on the windowsill. It's just my Kate Spade like everyday makeup. Over here, I have my Kate Spade folders, so I have the gold ones, and this is my pencil holder. So it's like a little camera, the Rolleiflex. It's really cute. Here I have beside it is a Kate Spade notebook, as well as a Kate Spade stapler on top. And this guy right here, I don't know why he's moved, but he's a little paperweight, and he's a gold bird. And then my favorite pen is beside it, which is my Swarovski pen, and it's the one that I use like the most regularly. And then beside it, I just have my MacBook, and I just have the MacBook Pro 13-inch. This is what I edit on, this is what I do my work on. And like pretty much everything is done on my MacBook Pro, and it's just plugged in here. Moving on, I have my little like stack of books and like things that I use on a regular basis. So on top right here is my pencil case, and it's just my Kate Spade one. Oops. And then here is my Kate Spade Agenda, the 2018 one. This one here is a Moleskine notebook that I use to keep video ideas or like other ideas in. And then down here is my very full travel journal. So yeah, I just keep all those at the ready just in case I need them. Then you move on to my chair, and it's just a white chair, plain white chair, and on it is a fur from IKEA, a fake fur, and I like it. It really brings my room together. However, it's quite old, so I might have to go and get a new one. But yeah, I really like how it looks with my room. And then on my chair, I just have my little buddy. He's a little dog. My dad got him for me for Christmas, and basically you just put him in the microwave, and since I have cramps a lot, I just put him on my cramps, and he's got like a beanbag in him, so he works very well. Then you've got me, and as I said, I'm literally just in comfortable clothes right now. But anyway, up above I have my mirror, and it's just a full-length mirror that I absolutely adore. I take my outfit photos here. I like see how I look here. And then beside that, I have this IKEA lamp that when you step on the bottom down there, it lights up, which I love. And then I also, beside it, have one of my favorite pairs of over-the-knee boots, which are just these gray ones. I feel like they match the gray kind of aesthetic that's in my room. So next we have my KALLAX, and if you guys want to go check out how, like, what the price was for making my KALLAX, because it's not the original IKEA KALLAX, then I'll show you a video. I'll put a card here or something so that you guys can go and see it. And I do change it up all the time. Like, I'm always changing up the decor on top. So what stays the same all the time is that I keep my scratch map up above so that whenever I'm traveling I can always scratch off different places I've been. And then moving down I have the You Are My Sunshine sign. And then moving up close I just have a candle on display here. In wintertime I love latte candles. So I'm using White Mint Latte by Bath & Body Works right now. And then I have Rain Kiss Leaves as the perfume, as well as a little jewelry holder. And on the other side, I have another jewelry holder as well. I have a Kate Spade box, and then I have a cute little brownie camera, as well as a Chanel bag that I feel like really brings the room together too. It looks really cute and classy. And then below it, I just have my makeup in the first one, or some of my makeup. And the second one, I just have a Morphe palette, and in that little, cute little Paris box, I have some of my hair products, as well as one of my favorite creams from Bath & Body Works, which is Champagne Toast. And then beside it, I have a lot of books and a photo album, and then this cute little camera that my dad gave me. Below that, I just have all of my aesthetic scarves, so like my gray, black, white, and cream scarves that I all put in there, as well as the one that I'm wearing right now. And I just think it looks super cute in there. That was my mom's idea. Beside it, I have these cute shoes. They're just gray and they go again with my room. And then beside that I have some bubble bars and bath bombs, as well as this cute little camera. Then right here I just have all of my hats and extra scarves and gloves, and they fit really nicely in there. And like I said, I do brave Canadian winter, so I have quite a lot of those. And this right here is a bunch of socks, extra purses and stuff, like my little purses, and then some extra slippers as well. My dresser, and this is just what it looks like right here. So up on top, as you can see, these are beautiful like gold dots. They're kind of like a rose gold. They're really pretty. But I got these for Christmas from my aunt, and they're like mirrored gold dots that I think are super cute. And then below it I have the kind of the decor that I have for my dresser. So on top right here I have this perfume tray, and I keep all of my favorite perfumes on here. So I have like my YSL ones, I have my Chanel nail polish, like anything like that's pink and pretty and cute. And then behind it I have my Urban Outfitters frame, and it's really pretty because when you shake it, it's cute, you know? And then beside that I have my sign that you can change out the letters and stuff like that. You guys probably saw that in my Christmas video. And then I have my Instax mini, as well as a few of my pictures. And then I have a Paris picture that I love that I'm going to put probably over here. I'm still trying to figure out where I'm putting all of my artwork that I have. But yeah, that concludes my room tour. I really hope that you guys liked it. It's kind of short, but I mean, that's just what I've been, you know, dealing with and doing and redecorating for. Every season I normally do a different style, so I hope that you guys liked my winter one, and if you guys did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Comment down below what you liked the best, and don't forget to subscribe.